Do you know that you can find at least $1,000 of profit in the stock market every day by just understanding 5 important concepts? Hi, this is Trader DK here, and I've earned $1,000 a day trading the stock market for years. I now coach aspiring and struggling traders to do the same without stress so that everyone can enjoy the profits that they deserve and change their lives meaningfully. I have seen so many people missing out on thousands of dollars of profits on a daily basis, mainly because of some common mistakes and pitfalls. And truthfully, these mistakes typically due to misconceptions about trading, which may have been ingrained in our upbringing, societal, and cultural influences. Here, I'm going to go through 5 key concepts that, by understanding them, you will instantly change your trading results overall. Misconception number 1. You need to spend hours monitoring the market to not miss out. Here's what most people do. They have the impression that you have to be monitoring the price or the charts to make money all day long. Well, here's the ugly truth. The market does not move all the time. On an average day, there are probably just 2 to 3 meaningful moves, and we're talking about the fast and furious moves that occur in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And these are the types of moves that all traders should be aiming to catch. For the rest of the time, price is just consolidating and taking its own sweet time to prepare for the big moves. The same applies even if you are trading a higher time frame. Just replace those minutes to hours or days or weeks. When you understand that, you will be going to trading with the right mindset and expectation. Know where are the potential profit areas that you want to trade. Set your alerts based on your rules, walk away, and don't come back until the alert rings. Misconception number 2. You need to trade more to earn more. Most people think that you need to always be putting your money at work, and hence they are constantly taking every setups that they see, only to then see their P&L not moving anywhere after a period of time. Now, trading is not a job where you are compensated based on the number of hours spent and trades taken. In fact, seasoned traders will tell you that had they not taken many of the trades they took, they would have generated a lot more profits overall throughout their journey. Instead, what you want to remember is that because in trading there are both sides to the coin, every loss will set you back by taking away either your prior or future profits. Go for setups that are A++, those that you are most comfortable with, and walk away from the rest. That is the fastest way to double your profits. Misconception number 3. Trading requires a lot of capital. This is probably true in the olden days where the financial markets are not as modern as they are today. Back in those days, retail traders may only get access to a very limited type of asset classes and funding facilities that you really need a big amount of cash in order to make meaningful amount of profits. However, we are now in an exciting era where financial instruments are getting more and more innovative and accessible to the everyday man on the street like you and I. As a result, it is important for us to always be open to these new ideas. Those who are not will be leaving thousands of dollars of profits on the table. Find instruments and asset classes that are low capital and high return. If you have been using all cash at the moment, explore how else you can scale up. Options, CFDs, margins, prop firms. There are a variety of options and capital should no longer be an issue. If you enjoyed what I've shared so far, I would appreciate if you could give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future episodes. Misconception number 4. Leverage is risky. I get this more from people who are new to trading, as most of us grew up hearing how leverage and how the whole borrowing money is risky is bad from the media. And in fact, the media has done nothing wrong, because leverage, if not done correctly, can be devastating. Well, guess what? The same applies to almost everything in life. Driving was once risky when you didn't know how to drive. But once you pick up driving, learn the skill properly, practice, it could be a great tool in your life, because now you're not limited to just cycling or walking, which may take more effort and time. Modern civilization is all about leverage, if you think about it. How to achieve more in lesser time and effort. Instead of avoiding it, make leverage your best friend and not your worst fear. Assess the benefits and risk. Understand the risk and manage it the right way, and it will take you to places far and beyond. Misconception number 5. Technical analysis is the key to profitability. Here's what they will say. I'm not making money yet because I haven't found the best strategy. This is the most common reason why people think they haven't become profitable, most likely yourself included. While this may be true in certain cases, especially if the strategy that you use is not based on statistically proven methods. For most of the traders out there who have a working technical strategy, what you need is not another better technical strategy, but instead a strong psychological and emotional competency. Learn how you lose and not jump into the rabbit hole of overtrading, how you keep winning and not give back profits, how to not overtrade, revenge trade, how to take just the right amount of trade that will make your portfolio keep turning green. It's about having systems and frameworks in place to address these psychological and emotional events and aspects of trading that will set apart a profitable versus losing trader. I was once like every one of you who would just be going after every stocks and strategies there are to trade, spending hours trading and earning basically nothing after all that. That changed after I realized that it is not the way to do it. I now trade just one stock predominantly, that is the indices, mainly use one strategy, spend less than 1 hour a day, and have been earning at least $1,000 a day for years. This is how I keep things simple, fun, and stress-free, and most importantly, consistently profitable. If you enjoyed this topic, I also have a free newsletter where I share more trading tips and hacks directly to your inbox. Check out the link in the description. Finally, do comment below and share it with someone who you think would benefit.